All right, here's the switch. Here's the motion. Yes, this is in contact with the float. And we crack it open right here. This part right here has these two little pins that come off the sides. You'll see them in a second as I open this up. I have to be kind of delicate about this though. There's one pin, so I kind of have to turn this carefully, get that out. I can rotate this. Okay, so I rotate that, pull that off. Sorry, I missed all of that. This goes in here. These little things fit in these things fit into little slots on the other side. Anyway, sorry about that. This comes off. Okay, I'm going to open this thing up on here. Okay, there it is in all its glory. And the motion is just like that. And somehow, I'm not clear yet, the function reverses itself. So that when it's installed correctly and the float is up, it turns the circuit off. And when the float is down, the circuit closes and is on. So I don't know what the deal is, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And it looks like this little piece over here is bent down more than this little point up here, and that might be part of the problem. I don't know, but I'm going to figure it out.